It's VIP TV, South Florida's #1 lifestyle TV show. Everyone wants to be on VIP TV. Celebrities from TV, movies, and sports all love the VIP TV brand. Our audience knows that every episode is a star-studded event, with exciting, outrageous interviews you won't forget. Our show features the hottest events in South Florida. Award shows, star-studded concerts, unforgettable charity events, and more. VIP TV is always on the red carpet. We bring you that VIP TV access for events you don't want to miss. Our VIP TV Hotspots is a trusted brand that lets South Floridians know about all the new exciting spots in town. VIP TV offers South Florida business owners the opportunity to feature their businesses right alongside events like the Golden Globes and the Miss Universe pageant. With over 1 million viewers and growing, this is an opportunity for you to showcase your business on a grand scale. For more information, visit our website at www.viptvproductions.com.